Tonight we are going to do an unboxing. Yes guys, it's from Apple. I actually received such present last holiday, but I decided to return it because I'm thinking maybe I'll get something else. Anyhow, the final verdict is to get this. And yes guys, I want to share it with you, okay? So, ta-da! It is an Apple Watch. I don't know if you'd seen it before that I received. This Apple Watch. Right guys? This one? You remember? Apple. It was, sitting on an apple. Alright, if you did not see it, then that was the history. But actually, same night, I also received the Apple Watch. And tonight, I'm gonna show you what kind of Apple Watch we received. Okay, it was given to me by my family. Thank you so much. All right, let's open it. Are you excited? I am. It's made for the ocean, guys, I think, because that's what we can see inside the box. All right, so it comes with the instruction book. All right guys, which one do you think I got? This one, or this one? This is the kind of watch that we received. Okay, those are the buttons on the other side, and on the other side is this one. Okay, now let's check out the actual watch. Ta-da! I was told also on the other side. There we go. There it is, our watch. So it comes with a cable, guys. I just have to buy the, what's called?
Adapter.
The adapter, yeah, I just have to buy the adapter, or I can just use this in my laptop to charge it in my laptop, or what?
Or connected to your phone.
Or connect it to my phone, according to the one who already got her Apple Watch. We received the latest Apple Watch Ultra 2. There you go. And as for the strap, let's open the other box. This is the strap that we received for that watch, okay? We were told, guys, in the store that this is their latest strap. We were there for a while actually trying to figure out how to put it on. Okay, it's there, right? That's the strap. My assistant is coming. Oops, just the hand. Doesn't want to show the face. So this is one of their latest straps, guys, and it says here, what does it say in the box?
Titanium Milanus loop.
Oh,
titanium dual release buckle, that's why.
Yeah, so we were like, trying to figure out how to remove the buckle a while ago, guys, when we were at the store. So buckle's there, right? So let me remove this protection, guys. So this is the double buckle strap. So you push it up, guys, like that. Push it up and then pull this one out, okay? And as for this one, you just pull this one up, okay, like so. We can move this and adjust it accordingly. Press it and then connect this to the watch, and then afterwards pull this back and then push it in here to secure it. That's it. So this one, guys, goes here, okay? Push it in, right? Push it all the way inside. There it is, okay? Should have been nice, guys, if this one is kind of like rose gold or yellow gold, but anyhow, it's okay. And then on the other side, same thing. Okay, slide it in. So there, guys, it's on now. I have to pair this with my phone, so hold up, I'll be back in 1 sec. Alright guys, so that's it for our unboxing of our new Ultra 2 Apple Watch. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not gonna bore you with the features of this Apple Watch, guys. I'm sure most of you already know how to use this. So stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye!